Hi, I'm Sapri I'm Shamakti, and today I'm going to rate all the products I've used from Plum, and I have used quite a lot. So, this is going to be my personal experience, how I felt about these things, and I have done a similar video like this for Minimalist. You can check it here. And so, let's start. I'm going to close my eyes, I'm going to pick one from this many things over here. So, I think this is the body wash. Yeah, this is the Driving Me Cherry body wash. I like it. I got this as a PR. This is not my favorite, I prefer my Johnson's top to toe over this, but it feels good sometimes to use this because the smell is really refreshing. So it is a feel good product for me. I'm gonna give it a 6. And I like to use a good scented body wash sometimes. It feels good after a long day, but for most of the days I stick to Johnson's top to toe body wash or that Himalaya baby wash. But I do use these things once in a while just to make myself feel good, and it also doesn't dry out my skin. Okay, so next I have, so it is their Choco face mask. I give it a 10. I love it very much. It has worked really well for me. I think it's gonna be good for dry skin. For oily skin or combination skin, they might find this to be too much, but for dry skin or normal skin, it's gonna be very good. A good nourishing mask, especially for winter. So next I have body butter. This is a Vanilla Vibes body butter. I give it a 8 or 9. It's a very good body butter. I'm gonna buy this again and again during this winter because it's very nourishing. I love the texture. Actually, I like their Vanilla Vibes line because the stuff from this line are so moisturizing and nourishing. So yeah. Okay, I don't know what is it. It can be their face mask. Okay, I got this for free from Nykaa. This is the green tea clear face mask. I I got very mixed reaction from you about this. It worked for some people, it didn't work for some people, so I couldn't use it yet. And I'm thinking, should I use it or not? I really don't know because some of you have told me that it has worked really well for you, but some of you have told me that you got pimples after using this, so I really don't know what to do about it. Okay, so next I have their lip balm. I give it a 10. It works really well for me. I tried their, so this is their Berry Feast. I tried their this red velvet. That didn't work well for me. I like this more, the Berry Feast one. The color is good. It nourishes my lips. Their hair serum, it didn't work at all for me. I hate it. I give it a 0. Didn't do anything for my hair. My hair feels so weird after using it. I mean, it is supposed to control the frizz and everything. Doesn't do anything. So not a good stuff. At least for my hair. Never gonna buy this again. 0. I think it is my most hated product from this brand. Okay, so next I have I'm not even guessing before opening my eyes. Okay, this is their rose water toner. I give it a 5. It is affordable basic toner, but I didn't find this to be enough hydrating for my skin and soothing average, so a 5. Not gonna buy this again, but it felt good using it. And I just broke it. So Emma, ish. How I'm gonna use it? No, it's working. I'm not supposed to do this. I have makeup on. I did my eyes. Again, it fell down. Okay, so I'm not gonna buy this again, but if you're looking for an affordable toner with rose water and hyaluronic acid, it can be okay for you. But I have access to better toners, so no for me. So next I have I think it's the Niacinamide serum. Yeah, I give it a 10. The texture is really good. It has worked really well for me. This is moisturizing. It gives this glow to my skin. It has all the ingredients I like: niacinamide, rice, licorice, then it has this squalane. I like it very much. I give it a 10. I worked with them for this. I did a paid promotion and I'm really happy I did because it is a good stuff. But like I said, many people have said that their skin cannot take it because it has fermented ingredients, and many people have their fungal acne triggered by fermented ingredients, so then it might not be for you. And if your skin cannot take like 10% niacinamide, then it might not be for you. I hope Plum comes up with a 5% niacinamide serum too, because the formulation is very good. Love it. Okay, so next I have again I didn't guess before opening my eyes. Okay, this is body yogurt. Did I talk about it? I just spoke about it, right? The body yogurt. No, I didn't. Okay, so this body yogurt is good. I think I spoke about it. I'm having a deja vu. I give it a like 8. Okay, so it's a good body yogurt. Not gonna be enough for winter, but for summer it's gonna be really good. Not gonna buy this for this winter though, but for upcoming summer I'm gonna buy this. A good body yogurt with good texture. I'm really confused because I think I have spoken about it right now, like few moments back. See, my memory so rotten. Okay, so this is their, I think, cleansing milk. Yeah, this is their gentle cleansing milk. This is good. If you're looking for a cream based first cleanser, it can be it for you. It even can work as morning cleanser, so good stuff. I give it a like 9. Should I remove my makeup right now so you can see, or is it gonna be a little messy? So let me finish the video, then I'm gonna give you a demo. And they have one micellar water, sorry, from this line as well. The micellar water is good as well. Okay, so next, this video is getting very clumsy, I can feel it. So this is their, again I didn't guess. Okay, this is their green tea oil free moisturizer. It didn't work well for me. It might work good for oily skin people, oily combination. I have kind of little bit dry skin, but these days my skin feels normal. It's just perfect. I mean, not perfect like the oil balance, it seems perfect. So okay, so didn't feel enough moisturizing, hydrating for my skin, so I gave it a 3 just because it has decent ingredients, that's all. Okay, so next I have, I don't know what is it. Okay, their green tea renewed clarity night gel. I got this as PR. I didn't use it because the scent is so overwhelming. Oh no. I love the texture though. I hope they come up with a fragrance free version of this, because the texture is really nice, but the smell is really overwhelming. Not gonna use it for my face, gonna finish using it on my body. Okay, so next I have, again what's wrong with me? Okay, this video is getting messy, I'm telling you. This is their So Smooth Floss Mask. It is a feel good mask, I'm telling you. You feel really good when you come back at home after a long hot day and you use it. That's all. It is not that much hydrating, but it is soothing, so I like it. I think it's my third jar. Each time I say I'm not gonna buy it, I'm gonna use aloe vera instead, but still I go on and buy it because it feels so good on the skin. The texture is really nice, and I think you can skip it during the winter though. For summer it can be good, for winter I think it's not needed. So I'm gonna rate it 7 or 8, something like that. Okay, so next I have, okay, this is their sugar scrub. Yeah, this is a new jar I bought again. I love this. As a scrub I give it a 1 or 2 because it doesn't scrub at all, but as a body mask I give it a 10 because it is so moisturizing. The smell is delicious. I love it. But if you're looking for a like good scrub, like a scrub that really works, you're gonna be disappointed with this. I have spoken about it many times on my channel, and yeah, but I love this because I need something nourishing, something moisturizing for my skin, and it does the job. And for winter, it's gonna be my favorite. I give it a 10 when it comes to this body mask thing, but as a scrub, not that great. And another dupe for this, if you're looking for better scrub in sugar scrub category, then you can try Palmer's sugar scrub. That one has sugar granules, but that one scrubs well, and that one is moisturizing too, but this one is more moisturizing. Okay, so next I have, this is my phone. Okay, so okay, I think this is their oil. Yeah, this is their Vanilla Vibes oil. Initially I didn't like it, but now more I'm using it, more I'm loving it, so I give it a 9. But this is high on fragrance. If your skin cannot tolerate fragrance in your body care products, you're not going to like it because it has massive amount of fragrance, and I don't use it every day. And body oils, I don't use them like every day. I'm more into body lotions and butters. And this is aloe vera gel. Yeah, I like it very much. I give it a 9 because it is a no-nonsense aloe vera gel. Texture is on the runnier side, but I like it about it because I use it when I shave my skin, and I use it in a face mask, so that way it works for me. Good one, affordable and good stuff. Okay, so next I have, I don't know what is it. Okay, this is their face mask, charcoal 2-in-1 detox scrub mask. Didn't work out for me. It irritated my skin over here. For my entire face it worked okay, but this area got irritated, and it is actually for oily skin. I don't know why I bought it, because I had good experience from their face mask, and I don't know, it tempted me. It had this huge discount on it, so it's my fault actually. It's not for my skin type, so I give it a 2 for my skin type, and it actually irritated my this area. So okay, so next I have, this is the hair mask, avocado hair mask. I like it. I give it a 8 or 9 because it nourishes my hair, it controls frizz to some extent, the texture is good, and I don't know what went wrong with this one, this avocado hair mask. I had high expectation from this because this stuff worked for me, this avocado mask, but this hair serum didn't work for me at all, but this hair mask did. I liked it very much. Okay, so last thing I have, this is a new jar. They sent me in the PR. This is Driving Me Cherry Gel Body Scrub. I'm not that much into gel body scrubs these days, but if I need a scrub and body wash in a product, I use this because it has surfactants, good amount of surfactants. So if you use this, you don't need to use a body wash separately, to be very honest. I give it a 7 for being multitasking. It feels nice on the skin, doesn't dry out my skin, the scrubbing granules are okay. So yeah, and yeah, that's all I have for now, and I hope you enjoy this video. I have tried so much, so many things from Plum, and some of this they sent me for PR, and some of this I bought. And initially I didn't have I was not interested in this brand, but then they came up with new formulations and they are coming up with decent things, so I'm enjoying this. So let me show you how this works. There's a gentle cleansing lotion, so you take 1 or 2 pumps and you just massage it on your skin, and it removes all the makeup very gently. I don't know how it's gonna work on heavy makeup, but for light makeup it works. And then you use this second cleanser. So I'm gonna get a microfiber towel, I'm gonna wipe it. So yeah, I'm done. Now I'm gonna use a foam based cleanser to get rid of whatever left of makeup on my skin. So yeah, my skin actually feels soft, Okay, so see you soon. Bye bye.